लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome back to Rasikyam, a humble effort to understand, appreciate, and enjoy meanings of Carnatic music compositions. The theme for the current season is Lord Rama. We have enjoyed and learned the meanings of some compositions on Lord Rama in the course of this season. And in this episode, I have another lovely piece by Sri Sadashiva Brahmendra. Often sung in Yamuna Kalyani, this composition is enjoyed also in Raga Ahir Bhairav. I have attached the rendition in both the ragas. Both versions of this kriti are available in the description of this video. Without much ado, let's get started with this beautiful piece, which is addressed to the tongue, though in eulogy about Lord Rama. You may have already guessed the composition. It is Pibare Rama Rasam Rasane Pibare Rama Rasam Rasane Pibare Rama Rasam. The saint composer Sri Sadashiva Brahmendra addresses to the tongue. He says, Rasane, O dear tongue, drink the elixir that the Lord's divine name is. Drink the Rama Rasa and enjoy this ecstasy that it offers. This composition rings a bell because I have heard a Subhashita. I've heard Vidushi Vishaka Hari quote the Subhashita too. The Subhashita goes, He jihve rasasaragre sarvada madhura priye bhagavan nama piyusham piva tvam anisham sakhe. It addresses the tongue again and says, Hey jihve, hey my dear friend, sakha, dear tongue, you love the sweet taste so much that you always want to indulge in it. That is why so many sweets are called indulgence. So many desserts are called dark fantasy, indulgence, because the tongue is so fond of that addictive sweet taste. Madhura priye, sarvada madhura priye. The Subhashita tells, it addresses the tongue and goes on to say, I have a taste, a higher taste, which is all the more sweeter and yet all the more divine. It is good not for just for your body, but for the soul as well. And that ambrosia, that elixirine taste is offered by His divine name. Bhagavan Nama Piyusham. Drink that ambrosia. Pivasva. Pivatvam Anisham Sakhe. Great minds think alike. So the Rishi who gave the Subhashita and Sadashiva Brahmendra, they think alike here. And he goes on to say Pibare Rama Rasam. Because this Rama Nama is the culmination of all Shastra, of all learning. He sings and the glory of Lord Rama's name in different charanas. In the very first charana, he says, this Nama is capable of granting you all boons and all desires, Iha Sukha and Parasukha. Those materialistic pleasures that you seek here and the ones that you seek for the upliftment of the soul. These he sums up. He says all kinds of phala you can achieve by chanting the name of the Lord. Puri krita pataka samsargam purita nana vidha phalavargam duri krita pataka samsargam. All those challenges that you face in life, the Rama Nama will push aside for you. All obstacles, all hindrances, uncertain times. That is when the Rama Nama will help you come out of it and go far away, Duri Krita, and ends your misery and grants and satiates all kinds of phala, all kinds of materialistic fruits, materialistic spiritual fruits that you are seeking. The Rama Nama is capable of satiating. And in the next charana, Janana Marana Vaya Shoka Viduram Sakala Shastra Nigama Saram. The Ramanama ends the fear that lies in the cycle of death and rebirth. Everybody is afraid to be born, everybody is afraid to die. Various Puranas, Itihasas mention how a child which is ready to be born is praying with the Lord so that he is not born. The Purusha, the Atman, does not want to be born. Says the Bhagavatam, for instance, there is mention of this. So there is a fear of being born. We might wonder who will be afraid of being born. And the other fear that we have, the explicit fear of dying. So the fear of birth, rebirth, death is always there. It can end this fear because the Abhaya, that one source of fearlessness, calm, steady state of mind comes by chanting the Ramanama. And the next line, in fact, complements this statement. Something can give you that fearlessness only if it is the gist of the Itihasa Purana. Nigama is Veda, Agama is Smriti. So Smriti, Shastra, Itihasa, Purana, the gist, the culmination of all these discussions, all of Vedanta summarizes in that divine name of Rama. Sakala Shastra Nigamagama Saram. Now, generally, there is something called Hamsa Kshira Nyaya. The swan, the Hamsa Pakshi, if you give it water mixed with milk, poets tend to explain that it will drink only the milk and not drink the water. The Hamsa Pakshi is a metaphor, it's a comparison with Paramahamsas, people with elevated minds. Like how the Hamsa Pakshi segregates the milk from the water, the Paramahamsas know how to segregate, they know how to discriminate. There's a sense of Viveka which discriminates the good out of a mixture, an amalgamation of good and bad. This Ramanama is tasted, the elixir of Ramanama has been tasted by Paramahamsas. Paramahamsa Mukha Ashrama Geetam. And he goes on to list who are those. An example of Paramahamsas, those who have enjoyed the name of Lord Rama. Shuka Shaunaka Kaushika Mukha Petam. Shuka Shaunaka and Kaushika. Vishwamitra Maharshi too is an example, says Sadashiva Brahmendra. Sadashiva Brahmendra, I don't know why, but it makes me want to think that he is citing from the Ramayana where Vishwamitra woke up Rama. He was the one who sang the Suprabhata for Rama. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate. He was the one who sings it in the Ramayana. So all these Mahanubhavas, all these Paramapurushas, Paramahamsas have enjoyed this ecstasy that the Ramanama has to offer. Let us also chant this divine name of the Lord in these times of perjury, where there is so much of stress and anxiety, the fear of death, the fear of infection and infecting others. Let this Ramanama be that one source of hope for all of us, and there be peace, prosperity and good health for everybody. With this, we come to the end of this season. This will be the last of the episodes and seasons available on Facebook. Going forward, they will be available only on YouTube. Please look forward in that space if you're interested. I will be back soon with another season, another theme, many more compositions so that we can enjoy. Jai Shri Krishna.